Hi, first of all, thank you for this opportunity. It was an amazing competition, which I personally enjoyed and loved the results, of course. I achieved 4 milestones in this competition. I became a master, competition master. I break the 50, the rank 50 in the competition track. This was a goal for me, my first goal, so it was really fun. And please forgive me for my English. Sometimes I make mistakes. It's not my language of tongue. Okay, we are Team SantaMizers. SantaMizers comes from Santa and Optimizers. We joined the name. We thought we should use this title, sorted stop words, verbs, and other words are all you need, because this has really helped us in improving in the competition. It was a key factor for us to reach different competitive scores, especially in the last sample. Today I will be talking about our backgrounds, of course, first, and the solution summary. I will discuss different approaches we used. They are somehow similar, but with different inner details. I'll provide also the link for our write-ups if I'm interested, and the initial text selection, which was really important in our score. First, me, this Ali Sahim, or in Arabic, Ali. The letter Ain is not English, so I hold an MBA degree and a baccalaureate degree in computer system engineering. I've been working researching in Arabic language processing for around 17 years. I'm really interested in computer vision and Arabic language and poems in Arabic. I hold around 8 global awards regarding this field. Also, we have Sia. He has an MBA degree and he's a senior data scientist. Also, we have a grandmaster, Young G, if I spell it correctly, and he's also a machine learning engineer. And Stephen, an undergraduate student in Columbia University and a researcher in Irving Medical Center. Okay. Regarding our solution summary, as I said before, the secret sauce, I like the word secret sauce, I use it usually in Kaggle a lot, is the stop words, then the verbs, then other words. This pattern of sorting the words really helped us to reach our position and our rank. We had 2 approaches, both based on simulated annealing. It seemed that this algorithm was the king for us. It helped us so much to reach our score. The first approach worked best for samples 0 to 4, and the second approach helped us reach the 28.5 score, which is really an edit and improvements from Sia regarding the first approach. Both approaches use candidate generators, custom candidate generators, or text transformation operations, and we used custom weights. So we weighted the operations based on their help in improving the score, which I will discuss shortly. The first approach, we first edited the metric to use patches to speed up the calculating and to speed up the scoring. We created also a custom generated algorithm. We first use the operations I'm highlighting over here, the swapping, the versing, remove and insert, and so on, around different 12 operations. These operations were randomly selected at first and generating as much as possible candidates for the solution. Then we gave weights, which of these operations did lower the score. We used that in the second round and the third round and so on. So each time we learn which operation improve more to our score in order to make things shorter and reach as fast as possible to the optimal solution. This is mainly the main updating weights function that helps us to select which candidates we need to choose. You can see the main scoring Okay, that was used with the simulated annealing algorithm. Uh, we kept track of the operations, as I said. We also catch the candidates. So any candidate that we scored, we are not scoring again to help us, skip repeated candidates and so on. Another thing which was very important is the equal best score. We noticed that we keep getting the same best score again and again for different patterns. This happens actually on A100 GPUs, which we basically used on Colab. So we decided to not select always the best score, to select also the solution with that best score. So if we have equal best scores, we have different paths to try. So this helped us improve more and reach faster our optimal solutions. If no improvement happened for say X of iterations, we reselect earlier best score, or we do some kind of shuffling. This depends on a random choice, actually. The second approach is similar to the first approach. It's improvement from another team member, Sia. We started first with swapping two words and do different enhancement based on that. He introduced different operations, or maybe extended larger operations of candidate generation. Cyclic calling also limited the range of acceptable candidates for the next iteration to speed things up also. With time, this helped us improve, especially from 32 to 28, which really took a long time. If we noticed that we ranked, we freezed on the leaderboard for a couple of weeks until we were able to crack the problem of the 32 to 28, which back again to the initial text order. So using the stop words first, then verbs, then nouns, helped us a lot. This takes me to the second slide, to the next slide, which is the initial text selection. Initial text selection, we had the following steps. First, for the first sample or second sample, the first sample was trivial. For the second sample, we sorted the text alphabetically, which helped us reach sample 2 solution as fast as possible. For the fourth and third one, we use stop words first, then the rest of the words, and that gave us a good starting point for 3 and 4. Some random inner starting points helped us get better results, also inner better results, which led us to the final score. And for the last one, which was the big one, we found out that sorting the stop words first, then sorting verbs, then using other words, the rest of the words, of course, help us reach the solution. It seems the solution was based somehow on a split of 2 parts. A part of stop words, verbs, nouns, then again stop words, verbs, and nouns, which we found due to the selection of the initial text. This really helped us a lot in reaching the final solution. And basically, the key, the enhancement really happened due to the initial text. Here you can find our write-up and the codes we mainly used. We basically used Colab. Sia also presented an infrastructure of another GPUs he has access to, which really helped us process more tests in parallel to reach the final score. We kept trying to the last minute. At least for me, I kept trying to the last minute, hoping to break the score. It's coming something competitive for me. It's not really about the rank as much as about breaking the current score, but we didn't improve more than what we got. Thank you really for this competition, and I will be happy to answer any questions as far as also my colleagues.